Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming the battery voltage and chemistry, so you choose the single correct charging method. Once done, disconnect the device and any loads, and make sure you note the polarity and wiring to avoid reversal. You'll wear gloves and eye protection and work in a ventilated space. Connect only the proper charger set to the battery terminals, positive to positive, negative to negative. Begin charging at the recommended current. Monitor initial voltage, rise for expected behavior. You now manage the controlled charge profile step by step, because this is the only safe way to change the battery charge. Set the charger for the exact voltage and current limit specified by the manufacturer. Choose the proper charge profile for the chemistry. Once charging starts, monitor voltage and battery temperature closely and reduce current if temperature increases beyond safe range. Make sure to log voltage and state of charge at regular intervals, and keep the area safe from sparks or conductive tools. You complete the process by terminating charge at the specified target voltage or when the charger switches to float. Then disconnect the charger and allow the battery to rest. Once cooled, check capacity and, if applicable, perform cell balancing to equalize voltages. If the battery shows swelling, persistent heat, rapid voltage drop, or won't hold charge, stop using it, isolate it in a safe container, and arrange proper replacement or recycling. This single method workflow protects the battery and ensures consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.